Welcome back to Chippo Fishing. Top of the morning to you. It's gonna be a blessed day. Today's condition on our BRAID Marine electronics, we're marking quite a bit of fish activity and bait. Some smaller fish, probably white perch. These are the bigger ones, maybe bass. Some crappie down here. Bait balls, 20 foot. So I think I'm gonna be fishing about 17 foot. We're gonna be vertical jigging on the bridge. So what I'm trying to do is to be most effective if the wind's blowing southwest on the bridge. So it's gonna be cutting across the bridge this way. Be cutting across this way, which will be blowing the bait that direction. So if the bait is coming at you, the crappie are going to be facing up current, and they'll be ready for the fish to come at them where they can come up and take the bite. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to fish 17, 25 foot, try to see what's going on, see what color we can use. I got some buddies over here, Wayne, Johnny, good people, man, good people. We're gonna have some fun today. Hopefully put some slabs in the boat. All right, folks, thanks again for joining me. Chippo Fishing, weekly videos year round. Sharing the passion, brother, sharing the passion. Here's another little Chippo tip. Two of them. Get where you're going at the boat ramp. Check your hubs of your trailer. Put your hands on them. They're allowed to be warm. You want them a little warm, a little resistance. You don't want them hot. Your hubs are hot. You need to grease them puppies. Here's the second Chippo tip. Right here. You like double jigs. Get your little hair elastics from the Dollar Tree and go up to your next eye. I got one jig here on the little hook keeper on my Jinko Kevin Rogers series. Awesome rod. And then your other one right here. Bring it up to your next eye and it stays right there. Easy and great for transport. All right, thanks now. Fish on. First fish of the day, I win that $1. Woo! Okay, again on today's conditions, winds 10 to 20. It's breezing heavy. So the wind I thought was gonna corner the bridge a little bit, but it's coming a little more head on. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to set up in the slack water. Crappies are not, they don't want to fight the current unless they have to. They want to set up for the ambush. They're not really in an endurance one. I think I'm hung on the bottom. All right, let's see if I can get it back out. When you're hung up, give it slack and go back. What does that mean? That means loosen your bail. Open up your bail, give it some slack, and then go backwards, the opposite way of where you're tugging. And we're gonna see if we can come up with it. We're gonna try, we're gonna come on back. Windy conditions like this, boat control's key, especially if you're not tied up. I'm gonna try to get my hand-tied jig back. Nice, biggin', biggin'. Hit spot lock. Woo! That's right. Notorious Custom Jigs coming through with the big one under extreme conditions. Extreme conditions. Thank you, Mr. Jerry Yang. Extreme conditions. Nice, big, thick fish. Awesome. Okay, I'm feeling so lucky, gifted, skilled. Everything coming together right now. 3-pounder right here. Come on, baby. Come on. Everything coming together. Conditions just right. So extreme. Extreme conditions, extreme fish. Come on. I need a 3-pounder. Come on. Get on it. Come on. Come on. Work it. Let me go up here towards the edge. Give it a try. Guys across the way just doubled up. Maybe the school's coming in. Wayne with a nice hookup. Bending that Jinko rod. Sweet fish. Sweet. Nice. Nice. Big one. Big one. Extreme condition slabs. Little guy, but keeper. Can't get any action on my boat, so Wayne and Johnny hitting them again. Hit the top jig. Little sickle hook did the job. Spot lock on the hand tide. A little bit of flash, brown, black head, and some brown chicken feathers. Welcome back again to Chippo Fishing. This is the time where cormorants head on to roost, and I'm heading back to the roost too. I'll be back tomorrow. Today's condition: windy. Water temp stayed around 54 degrees, which has been up from a few last week, which was 51 with these high temperatures we had. The fish were on the bottom most of the day. Late afternoon they came up, and a few people on the boats out here. A few people. Minnows is the name of the game if you want to catch them out here, but I like using my jigs, and I went through a lot of different colors, a lot of different different sizes, plastics, hand ties, Opened up my box. Yeah, I went through multiple colors, but it was a fun, enjoyable day. And Mr. Wayne, Mr. Johnny,
Hey.
good buddies, out fishing again. So Mr. Wayne was in one of my videos about a good week ago, but we're hoping to see everybody back here again soon, and we'll be out here tomorrow. Thanks again for joining us, and weekly videos year round. And look, I appreciate your views, your subscriptions. Me and mine. That's what it's about. Yeah, I'm out here sharing the passion. If you can pick up any little thing from me, that makes it all worthwhile. So good to be out here, and so good that you're joining me. So we'll talk to you again. Peace.